Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currencies. So you could see that euro still has turned to upward bounce, to some retracement, mostly on the background of the signing of the debt sale bill in the Senate. So passing through the Senate, and probably soon it should be signed by the Joe Biden. So recent numbers on the ADP employment was about this expectation, which is mostly dollar supported factors, just because increased chance for the rate change in June by the Fed. But at the same time, in recent few months or maybe years, the relation between ADP and non-farm payrolls has been broken. So now it stands not as tight as it was previously, when people and analysts use the ADP numbers to forecast, making regression models to forecast the non-farm payrolls release, which in turn was used to forecast gross domestic product together with the retail sales, just because consumption retail sales is 70% of the gross domestic product. So this time, well, reaction has happened, but most part of the reaction was due to the political news. So now, as market has shown the first close above the 3x3 moving average on the daily chart, we could return back to idea of the bread and butter sell. To get the bread and butter, or at least to point where theoretically it could start and to be formed, this first area where this could happen is 108 or 9, approximately 30% level. Market has to reach it within the 3 closes above the 3x3. So we have first one, this will be second, and third potentially, if it will be needed, comes on Monday. So first destination point that we will need to watch for is around 108.10. So that's the level that we will see for some signs of the reversal on the lower time frames. Whether we could make the decision on possibly taking the short position, because this pullback might be not for just minor target of the bread and butter, but it could become just simple continuation pattern. So something of this kind, so market creating the pullback and then goes higher, not to the minor target of the bread and butter. Here we could get the same, because we are watching mostly for 105 area. All support areas had been broken, market's not at the result, so technically, except the news and headlines, technically we do not have any bullish background, I mean in terms of the support. So the bread and butter definitely the pattern that we could keep an eye on. So maybe it could be also the double repo, but in the current circumstances, double repo has less chances to happen because it is mostly bullish reversal pattern. But longer term fundamentals do not give us any background for real reversal. So bread and butter here is more logical. On the 4 time frame chart, I do not see something really special, so you could see that market has formed bullish reversal swing here. This is also the background for the possible bread and butter trade. On the hourly chart, market has completed already the XOP. Our head and shoulders that we discussed yesterday, this works nice. So if you remember, we were watching for different patterns, and it was not without the tricks. As you know, on the 4 time frame chart, market has formed here the grabber that we talked about here, and recently after that turns up, and here this upward action was another kind of bullish grabber. Let's say raised the 4-hour time frame one. So it was a bit tricky moment for position taking, but clarity has come very soon when the market just returns back to this point. So bearish scenario has been vanished right there, while the bullish starts showing nice performance. So XLP mostly done to the upside. Now we just need to see in which when the market will complete 108.10 area. So it's approximately right there. So at this point, I do not see whether it makes sense to take the long position or not. Personally, I probably will not do this. It's just because market stands very close to the daily resistance. I prefer to see what the patterns will be formed here, and how market will react on this resistance. So if we will get something like, say, head and shoulders, that will be a great background for possibly taking the bearish position, as Brent body could start on the daily chart. That's, I think, the scenario that we could keep an eye on right now. So if you have long position, you probably could try to keep it just tight to your stop and watch for 1 or 8-10 area as a potential target. That's all, and see what will happen on the perils report.